this movie, how to make IKEA wall unit.
Yeah, everything cost under the $2,000. 1,700 Canadian dollars, yeah. Bottom, top and bottom wall, and screw it. It's going. Bracket place. Bracket is for attaching the cabinet. A link to the wall. It's going here from both sides. Cabinet, bottom cabinet, which is technically going to be installed a countertop having two from steel strip from metal. Technically it's very easy to attach from the top with using these two screws. That's only two screws for each. It's the difference between top cabinet and bottom cabinet. Cabinet which is actually on the middle. Oops, and it's no problem to find a center where it's supposed to be. There is a cabinet. This plastic clips, with which these plastic clips having a gap. Screwdriver, I have to turn it for 90 degrees. Click, that's it. And just click and screwdriver. Turn it right, click, that's all. To be covered with this white plastic cover. How it's going? It's one side is flat, another have some ribs, and these ribs, two of these ribs, like have an angle inside. This angle going and wrap around this holder. And it's not hard, it's very easy. Just slow push it. Oops, and we cover it. Here is a razor between top cabinet and ceiling for crown molding. For that I used regular nailer 18 gauge crown molding, and size. It's not from IKEA. I purchased in local store 3-inch wide crown molding, and also valance. I install valance here also from the same store. Just little bit slide to valance to make it nicer. It's going to be painted in the same off-white color which of IKEA cabinet is. And baseboard going to be like footer of this unit. It's going here, one hole up, second hole from the down. And it's very important, they have a like a nose from one side and this bolt on the top. This is which having like small nose going to be going to be outside of the. And screw it. And the same doing for the top. To install hinges here is very simple with this new system which is exists. You need to open this door and insert hinges here. Yeah, adjust it to these two holes and close this door. That's when it's not going on very good, hard to going, and I recommend to use a chop and hit it from wood, hit it proportionally from all angle. And after close it. Oh, now it's perfect. Install door is very easy. Just need to put it here. First we're doing top and click. Click and bottom. The shell also just put special change my shells to the glass shells to these ribs on the door, and it's going to be symmetrical and end of shell going to be hide under these ribs. Okay, now we have to put stopper there. Our stopper is here. We have on hinges little hole. Just put in the hole and slightly here. That's it. Stopper is installed. from the back side a screw. It's only one long screw. Screw it here. Long screw going here. Yeah, I screw it in two holes, which is from the bottom and from this gap in this holder. We have three short screws. This first is here, click, click, and now it's here, and move this cover forward. That cover is designed for nice and sweet. Click that. Oops. Okay, when you did it not right and need to remove front panel, not here, here exists a screw which is possible to put Phillips screwdriver and turn it in opposite side and just take it off. You see, I separate front panel. It's very easy. Yeah, it's we just have to put on the bottom. Okay, we have to move back forward a little bit. Yeah, okay. Now it's perfectly good. To divide for three equal parts. 3 equal parts, it can be and do it for the rest of an easy install shell. One back. We need to cover this ugly hole with pan. To install handle, first we need to mark a place where a handle need to be installed, and